Hi, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and yesterday I asked Elizabeth to record how I was dissolving the concentrated product, especially to remove pet odor. This is not a cover-up. It's not toxic. The smell is good. It's safe for animals and people. It has essential oils. It doesn't irritate my eyes, and it doesn't have a fragrance, even though it has essential oils. Really good. This container is a concentrated OdorExit natural, 16 ounce, make 4 gallons. They sell a package of little concentrated products and big like this, 16 ounce, plus this sprayer that is 64 ounce. So 4 ounce of this concentrated product make 1 gallon. If this spray is 64, you just need 2 ounce with water and spray and saturate in all the areas that has pet odors, pee, poo, whatever. They don't pay me to do this, but I feel obligated. Not obligated, but I don't know. I really want to share what is something working for me. I had a video that I'm gonna look and try to put a link below the comment when I have time, because I'm in the hurry right now. And we clean a manufactured home. All the walls, they didn't stain the wall. The smell is really good. Monica liked it. You can search online about this brand. What I like about this company, this is a small company in Ohio, right? Yes, in Ohio. What I like it, and what I'm taking my time to do this, not promotion but showing you, is because I called the company. And the lady that managed, or the owner, I'm not sure, she told me how to do it and how to tackle the pet odor in that house, in that project. So I believe that a company that answers your questions and help you to manage and reduce the pet odor in the house is a plus for us. I also like this product because I can put some in my water tank for my carpet cleaner when I do houses for moving or move out for realtors that have pets and cats. That's the only reason what I'm doing. You have to look, I don't know if you can record this. You can look in Facebook.com OdorExit, or try to look in YouTube. She had a channel. More people should endorse this product, and more people should see her channel, because it's a really good way to network everyone. If you're cleaning, she sells the product, I don't know, maybe it will help you. OdorExit, Facebook, or OdorExit.com, Facebook.com, OdorExit. Thank you. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and it was a good product. Thank you. Bye.